The weather is cold. You want to eat something hot? Good news! Today I will show you how to cook a very yummy chicken soup with vegetables. สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe I'm Nin. Welcome to my cooking channel. As I was saying, it's cold, it's winter, so the dish of the day is perfect for this weather. As you can notice, my voice is a bit weird because I'm sick, so I will not talk much today. Okay, let's start cooking. Are you ready? Let's go! Boil water. Once it's hot, add chicken and onion. Then let it cook for about 10 minutes. My pot is very small, so I remove 2 pieces of chicken. And now I will add vegetables. And now, let it cook 15 more minutes. Oh, it's hot. And voila! Finished! vegetable is like melt in your mouth. Be careful, it's really hot.
Yeah, but it's the point. It has to be hot because it's the dish for winter. So yeah, I know what you will think. You will say, yeah, you're talking about winter, you're wearing a t-shirt, there is a bright blue sky behind. But still, in the nighttime, let's say it's winter. It's cold in the nighttime. In the daytime it's okay, but nighttime is cold. Oh yeah. Tomato, onion. Yeah, actually all the vegetables, as you said, it's melting in your mouth, like really, really good. Let's try the chicken. Oh, it's hot.
I try to. It's good?
Yeah. I was afraid it would not be cooked enough,
Oh yeah, it's hot.
but it's okay. Alright, so if it's winter, if it's cold, just try this recipe out. As you saw, it's very easy to make and it makes you feel really, really good, really better. So
Yeah.
you should try it.
You have to try it. As always, don't forget to subscribe, share, leave me a comment, and chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณครับ Bye. Bye.
Don't die now, finish the video first.
Sorry. Bye.
Bye.